Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and Fortnite Season 10 is here. So let's draw the first character, and this time it's gonna be Catalyst, the beginning tier. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with the top of the eyelids first. So we're gonna draw one. Just kind of curve up like this and come across. And then for the other one, the same thing, just come across. Just go up. And then flat across. And then from there we're gonna draw the bottom of her eye. So we're gonna come back down and just come toward the middle again. Okay, so same thing here. Come across first and then just go up. It's kind of like a leaf shape. Alright, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in the eyeball. So right underneath the top eyelid, we just gonna draw like a half circle. And then on the inside, I'm going to draw, I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm drawing another circle. That's going to be my highlight. And then I'll shade around it. Alright, and then on the top eyelid here, I'm just going to make it slightly thicker. Alright, and then from there, we're going to draw in her eyebrow. So right on top here, in the middle, just go up. And just one simple curve. Come up here. Alright, so we're gonna leave it like that, and we'll work on her face first, and then we'll draw in all the other details. So for the shape of her head here on the side, just come to the side. Let's draw like almost two straight lines. Slight curve coming in. And then from there we're gonna draw the top of her little mask here. So right in the middle, we'll make a little dot. Now go out toward the sides. And then once you have that, we're gonna finish up the jaw and the chin here. So there's not much detail here, so we'll just come down, just kind of taper it in. And then the bottom is gonna be nice and sharp. And then for the little detail here, it's one curve and then come down, same curve. Alright, so yeah, this curve right here is a little bit tricky. I think mine's a little bit wobbly. Alright, so let's continue on. And for her head here, so we're gonna keep going up here. Just curve and we'll stop right around there. And then right in the middle here, you can come up, you can make a little dot first. And then we'll just come in first because she's got this very strange shaped head here. Okay, so we one slant, and then on this side, just kind of curve down and just connect that first. Alright, and then before we draw in the hair, and let's just finish up the details inside here. She's got a little band-aid right here. Just draw a little rectangle. And then for her ear, on the side of the eye, just come out, curve down. And then she's got those earrings. Just come down, draw like a little long triangle. And then on the inside, the same thing here. Just draw another triangle. Alright, so now to draw her hair, we're gonna start on this side. We're just gonna continue this curve, go all the way down to her chin. And then on this side here, we start up here. We're gonna bump it up, just curve it all the way around. And this is gonna be kind of big too, it's a little bit thicker. Let's come all the way down right around here. And then we'll just close this off. And let's add one line here, because this is gonna be different color. And then again, start in the middle, just curve. Let's go all the way out. So this is a different color as well. Okay, so that's the hair shape, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail, we can start here. Just a couple of lines just to show the flow of the hair. Even down here, we'll just continue that. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the neck, nice and skinny here. And then for the shoulders, we just come down. A little bit of a slant. And then for this part here, we'll come down straight. This is gonna be your armpit. And then from there, we're gonna pinch it down all the way down to your waist. And then let's flare it out slightly. And then we'll close it off, and this is gonna be the top of her belt. Okay, and then let's keep going down and finish this belt. So we'll slant it out more. Close it off. And then let's just draw a little belt buckle in here. Alright, so now let's draw in her arms, and then we'll add in the details in the torso area. So we're gonna start up here. So here's her armpit. Just gonna curve this down for her shoulder. And this is gonna be her shirt, her sleeve right here. So we'll just close that off first. Okay, and then for her arm, the bicep, just come down straight. Here's your elbow. And then for her lower arm, just like a small little bracket like this, and then we'll close it off first because she's got those thick gloves. Okay, and then for a glove, we'll extend this line, come down, just taper it in right around here, close it off, and then we'll add one line here for some detail. And then now we can draw in the arm. So I'm just gonna give her a fist here. Just come down with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Come down, just turn it and close it off. And then just a little bit more detail here, just a little block on the back. Alright, so now for our other arm, it's gonna be the same. So here's the armpit again. Shoulder coming down. And then we'll close it off first. And now for a bicep, starting the armpit, just gonna come in nice and skinny here. Use the other side for reference. And then for a lower arm, we're gonna flare out just a little bit, and we'll close it off early. And now for the same glove, we'll just extend the line. Just come in, taper it a little bit, close it off. And then let's just go ahead and add in the little detail. Alright, and then for a fist here, come down with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist again, come down, just turn it and close it. And then same detail on the back. Alright, so let's go back up and finish up the detail here on a shirt. So right on the waist right here, I'm just gonna draw one line across. And then I'm going to come in right around here, right in the middle. This part of the shirt design here. Go up and then go down toward the armpit area. So just go up to the armpit. Okay, and then for the middle here, she's got a little zipper. So I'm just going to draw two lines right in the center. Okay, and then for the details inside, we're just gonna simplify it. Just one little triangle in here first. And then here we just draw one line across right behind the triangle. And then we're gonna draw one more here. Come in and just come down. So we're simplifying the design here. Alright, so now let's draw in her leg. So right in the middle here. Come down, make a little mark. And then we're going to start out here on her thigh. Curve all the way down to her knee, so it's a little bit longer. So start up here. Curve and just kind of pinch it in. Okay, and then on the bottom here, just come back up here. We're going to flare this out. Pants a little poofy here. And then come in, and then we'll just close that off. Okay, so same thing here. Curve all the way down. Come back up here, curve, just pinch it in again. And then here, come back up. Flare it down. Come in again. and then just close it off. Okay, so I know it's a little bit of a tricky shape here. She's got those baggy pants. Okay, and then for her leg, this one's easy. We're just gonna pinch it in nice and skinny here, close it off. And then for her little sneakers here, we're just gonna draw a dome shape coming down and just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and let's add in one line for the sole. Okay, so same thing here. Use the other side for reference. Close it, and then dome shape. Let's come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and same detail. And then since we're down here, let's just finish up the sneakers. We'll add a little bit more detail. Just one line in the center, and then right here on the side, just curve it out. Okay, so one line in the middle, and then on the edge, just curve it out. Alright, and then to finish up the pants here, it's got a little bit of a cuff here. Okay, so those are her legs, and lastly, let's see, she's got a little bit of design here. So let's draw like a little angle, just come in and go back out. And then she's got the little belt here that kind of comes down. So start right here, just curve down, slant, and then just go back up. So the only thing you have to kind of erase out is that little line right there. And that is it for this beginning tier of Catalyst from Season 10. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.